with strength, wisdom, and good health. Fill our hearts with peace, unity, and compassion, and guide us each day to grow in knowledge and kindness. For this, we pray to you, O Lord. Your response, O Lord, hear our prayers.
Dear God, thank you for the gift of dreams, those that heard in the night and those you plant in our hearts. Today, we bring before you our hopes, vision, and desires. We ask that you guide our steps and align our dreams with your will. Speak to us through our dreams and give us clarity and protect our minds. Lord, where there is doubt, give us faith. Where there is fear, grant us courage. Let every dream bring success in our lives. For this, we pray to you, O Lord. Your response,
O Lord, hear our prayers. We come to you with greater trouble word. For this, we pray to you, O Lord. Your response, O Lord, hear our prayers.
Dear God, we come to you with humble hearts, seeking your strength and our struggles, not with fear, but with the confidence that you are with us in every step of the way. When doubts and fears cloud our minds, grant us unfailing faith in your plan. May your wisdom guide our decisions, your love inspire our actions, and your grace strengthen our soul. For this, we pray to you, O Lord. Your response,
O Lord, hear our prayers.
Our dream they will be. So now, dear friends, take your seat. The skit girls arrive on the stage with flair and feet. Now I call upon Nabila to narrate the skit. Silence stretches across, not with confidence, but with a dare. I think we are all too scared to admit what we really want. Easy for you to say, Miss Future Novelist. My dad wants me to be an engineer. My guitar doesn't even have all the 6 strings anymore. And I wanted to be a scientist. Then others told me not to do experiments with my life. Let's take a fact. One week, we each take the first step towards our dream. And if we don't, then we jump off this rooftop. What? Relax. I then jump off this excuse train and stop pretending we are okay giving up. Suddenly, a voice echoes. Then you have already taken the hardest step. Daring to dream. Whenever we dream big, fear often shows up too. And if we keep listening to that fear, it grows stronger, turning into a shadow of all the chances we didn't take. Who are you? Are you just what are you? A ninja philosopher? No, I am what happens when you stop chasing your dream and start hunting them. She pulls out a worn, unclaimed lottery ticket. I had a dream once, and this ticket, a winning one I think. But I was too afraid to check it, too scared to hope. So I threw it in the drawer and let fear away. So you lost because you never tried? Dreams aren't just goals, they are there, and they take it. Just when they thought they had heard it all, another story rises. A story not from youth, but from wisdom. Because dreams are not just for the young, they live in everyone. Even those who quietly tucked them away decades ago. Today, Dari speaks, and her truth echoes louder than any star above. Dari appears at the rooftop door. You kids, still talking about dreams? I could use one of those. Aisha, Tiara, and Zara explains the fact. Dari walks silent for a moment. I had a dream too. I was selected for space training. One of the first women in the program. What? But people said, girls don't go to space. I listened to them and walked away. Now, when every night I look up there, I wonder, what if
Nothing shakes. The rooftop holds its breath. The pact that once felt like a game is now a promise, a declaration. This is not the end of their dreams, it's the ignition. Sparks fly not from fireworks but from decisions, from courage. And with every step they take, the future begins to open like a sky clearing after a storm.
I am sending my story to the publisher tomorrow. I am performing as an open mic, broken strings and all. And I am going to start all over again the experiments that I have left behind just because of fear.
The stranger steps forward with a ticket.
This is not about money. It's a reminder. Don't be afraid to believe that you can win.
She hands it to Aisha, then slowly disappears. Aisha spots something shining on the ground. But some dreams don't die. They wait. In photographs, in dusty corners of memory, and sometimes in moonlight rooftops where the past returns, not to haunt, but to heal.
What's this? Is she Daddy? Who is she? With Daddy?
Tari gently takes the photo, her eyes soft with memory.
Yes, that's me. And her name was Samira, my training partner. She left when I did. Said dreams were not worth chasing alone. So she came back. Or maybe our dreams return when someone else is brave enough to chase them.
The trawler sits at the edge of the rooftop. And so they sit. Three dreamers, no longer afraid. The sky above them stretches wide, not empty, but full of possibility. The ticket, the photo, all reminds that dreams are not made of wishes. They are built with boldness, held up by hope, and passed on like torches in the night.
One day, they will tell our story, the dreamers who dig back up, the ones who dare to dream. Let's go and chase our dreams. We'll see each other again after 15 years at the same spot here, on the rooftop, with our achieved dreams and success in our hands.
And now, before our story's final beat, it's time to let the silence speak through motion, presenting a powerful dance performance that brings our message to life, not in words, but in every step, every beat, and every breath.
चोरी से छुप छुप के मैंने चोरी से छुप छुप के तिनका चुप के सपना एक बनाया डोरी से बुन बुन के मैंने डोरी से बुन बुन के टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सी के सपना एक बनाया टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सी के सपना एक बनाया सपने 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 मेरे सच हो जाना रे
And then comes Zara, a brilliant scientist.
Still remember that night when we get to be like a total maniacs. Maniacs with heart. And now, look at us. I, scientist Zara Khan, work in the Industrial Research Center as the principal research scientist and have been awarded the Vigyan Shri Award in the field of science. Grammy nominated Tiara. Thank you very much. And yes, still stage frightened, but I get up there anyways. And me, 5 novels, 1 movie deal, and a classroom full of kids who think words can change the world. Hey Aisha, you ever think, what if we had it? Then someone else would have sat here wishing they had. But we did. Because we dared to dream.
And with that, our skit gracefully comes to an end. We hope this performance left you with a let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible team who brought the story to life. As the determined and heartfelt Aisha, we had Shagun Kumari. Bringing warmth as wisdom to the role of Dali, it was Fatma Tawseed. The mysterious aura of the stranger was powerfully portrayed by Ayushi Sahai. As the spirited Tiara, we had Anna Vertina, and portraying a unique character of Zara with grace and charm, we had Nala Reis. Now, I would like to call upon
Let the voices rise and light the town. Presenting before you a melody of dreams and determination. Ashai by a melodious voice.
that propels humanity forward. Throughout history, great minds and pioneers have dared to dream, and in doing so, they have transformed the world in ways that seemed impossible. From the dream of airplanes that led to them soaring to the skies, to a dream of universal connection that gave us the internet, to a dream of justice and equality that continues to improve changes. These daring visions have shaped the very fabric of our lives. Today, with our assembly,
not just for ourselves, but for the world around us. Let us dream of a brighter future, of bold breakthroughs, and a legacy that uplifts humanity. As Eleanor Roosevelt once said, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Let us believe, let us dare, and let us create the future we dream of. Thank you.
Thank you, Manya. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to invite our